Hello students, we have already started the chapter algebraic operations and we have already learned that what is term, what is factor, what is coefficient, like terms, unlike terms, so many definitions we have already learned. Today I'll explain you the types of algebraic expressions. There are 4 types of algebraic expressions. First one is monomial, an algebraic expression which consists of only one term is called monomial. Examples: 3x, minus 5xy, 7xyz, etc. There is only one term. Now binomial, an algebraic expression which consists of two unlike terms is called binomial. Example: x plus 2, x plus y, y minus 3. There are two unlike terms. X, 2, there are unlike terms. X, y, unlike terms. Y minus 3, unlike terms. Trinomial, an algebraic expression which consists of three unlike terms is called trinomial. So, example is x plus y plus 3. There are three terms, three unlike terms. X square minus x plus 4, etc. The last one is quadrinomial, an algebraic expression which consists of four unlike terms is called quadrinomial. Example: x square plus y square plus z square plus 3xyz. There are four unlike terms. So type of algebraic expressions are of 4 types. Now we will expand an algebraic expression into variables, number of terms, type of expression, terms, factors, numerical coefficient and constant. The algebraic expression 4x square plus 3xy plus 7y plus 6. The variables are here x and y. Number of terms here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 terms. The type of expression, there are 4 terms, so it will be a quadrinomial. Terms, first term will be 4x square, then 3xy, 7y and 6. I have written here. What are the factors? 4x square, so its factor will be 4x and x. In 3xy, the factors will be 3xy. In 7y, it will be 7 and y. 6 is a constant. Numerical coefficient. 4 is the numerical coefficient of 4x square. 3 is the numerical coefficient of 3xy. And 7 is the numerical coefficient of y. So, in this way, we can find variables, number of terms, type of expression, constant, whatever we want, we can find from this chart. Now, question 1. I have made some questions to make it more clear to you. Identify the term and the factor in the expression. Here is a trinomial 3 minus x square plus xy. The term will be 3 minus x square and xy, and the factors will be minus 1, x, and for xy it will be x and y. Question 2. Identify the coefficients of expression minus x square y square plus 4xy. Minus 1 is the coefficient of minus x square y square. See, we can write minus x square y square in a way that is minus 1 into x square y square. So minus 1 will be the coefficient of x square y square and 4 is the coefficient of xy. So in this way we can find any coefficient of any algebraic expression. Question 3. Classify the following expressions into monomial, binomial and trinomial. There is the expressions x square. So x square has one term, so it will be monomial. 3 plus 2x, there is two unlike terms, so this will be binomial. Y square minus 2y plus 7, there are three unlike terms, so it will be trinomial. 5, it's a constant and also a single term, so it will be monomial. So today I have taught you that the type of algebraic expressions and how to find the coefficient, factors, terms from an algebraic expressions and the classification of algebraic expressions. Now I will explain you how to form an algebraic expression. See, the type 1. First keyword is plus. Word expression is 9 plus a number. So the algebraic expression will be 9 plus x added to 12 added to a number. Number means here variable. Okay, x, y, z, anything. So the algebraic expressions will be x plus 12. Similarly, more than 14 more than a number. This means we will take a number x, 14 more than means x plus 14. Sum of 30 and a number, that means x plus 30 or 30 plus x. Here type 2, minus 6 minus a number, that means we have to subtract a number from 6, so 6 minus x. Reversely we can see a number minus 6, that means x minus 6. Here we can write y also, z also, whatever you wish. Subtracted from, 3 subtracted from a number, so the number will be x and we will subtract 3 from the number, so x minus 3. So these are the keywords, then word expression, and then we will write the algebraic expression. Doing this we can draw the formation of algebraic expressions. Next day I will continue with the exercise and the addition subtraction between the algebraic expression. Please go through the chapters, the explanations that I am giving you, such that you will be able to understand better. Thank you.